Hello. Hi everyone. This video is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 6, Unit 2, Exercise 2.2. It is about Subtitle 2.2 Special Numbers. Okay. အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးကတော့ Learners Book 6ရဲ့ Unit 2 Subtitle 2.2 နဲ့ Exercise 2.2 ဖြစ်ပါတယ် This is Subtitle 2.2 Special Numbers. So what we are going to learn, we are going to work out the square numbers. Work out the square numbers in any position. For example, the 9th square number is 9 times 9 is 81. And we are going to use the notation superscript 2 to represent squared. For example, 9 square is, we write 9 and superscript 2 like this. This is 9 square. We are going to know the cube. The cube of numbers up to 5. For example, 5 cube is 5 times 3. 5 times 5 times 5 or 5 squared times 5, which is 125. It is 5 cube. It is 5 cube. So we are going to learn square numbers and cube numbers in this article. Okay, have you ever tried to solve the Rubik's Cube puzzle? I think most of the children have tried this kind of cube. Okay, this is a cube because you can see from all 6 directions, you can see every face has nine cubes. Okay, in this layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First layer has 9 cubes, and there are 3 layers, so 9 times 3 is 27. 27 is kind of 3 cube. 3 cube is also 27. Okay, 3 cube because each from the side here is 1, 2, 3. And here is 1, 2, 3. And here is 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 3, 3. So 3 cube is 27. This Rubik's cube is 3 cube. There are altogether 27 cubes. So important words are cube number, square number. Okay. So work example 2. Which is larger, 2 cube or 3 square? Explain your answer. Okay. So 2 cube is, we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. So we got 8. And 3 square is multiply 3 2 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is larger than 8. So 3 square is larger than 2 cube. Okay, exercise 2.2. What is the 9 square number? 9 square number is 9 square or 9 times 9 is 81. Number 2, calculate 5 square. 5 square is 5 times 5 is 25. 10 square is 10 times 10 is 100. 7 square is 7 times 7. It is 49. Okay, question 3. Find 2 square numbers that total 45. When added together, find 2 square numbers. So let's check. Let's write down the square numbers. First square is 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 5 square. 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. And 6 square is 36. Okay. How can we get 45? Let's subtract the largest 36 from 45. We got 9. So we can add 36 and 9 to get 45. Okay. So 2 square are 36 is 6 square. 9 is 3 square. We can get 45. 6 square plus 3 square is 45. 36 plus 9. Okay. Okay, number 4. Here are 3 cubes of increasing size. So A has each side 2, 2, 2. It is 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. So let's check. First layer has 1, 2, 3, 4. First layer has 4 cubes, and there are 2 layers. So also 4 times 2 is 8. A is 2 cubed is equal to altogether 8 cubes. B has how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 4, 4. B is 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. So let's check. In this one layer, how many cubes are there? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 cubes in one layer. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 layers. So 16 times 4 is also 64. And 64 is 4 cubed. Okay, cube C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, and here is 5, and here is 5. So C is 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. So let's check. Each layer has how many cubes are there? This layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is 25. Each layer has 25 cubes. They are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 layers. So 25 times 5 is also 125. 125 is 5 cubed. So A is 2 cubed, B is 4 cubed, and C is 5 cubed. So how many small cubes are in each of the large cubes? A has altogether 8 cubes, B has 64 cubes, C has 125 cubes. Number 5, calculate 5 cubes. 5 cubes we have done. 5 cubes is 125. So 1 cube is only 1. 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is multiply 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay, check your answer to questions 4 and 5 with your partner. Okay. Number 6, copy this Carol diagram and write a number less than 100 in each section. Okay, cube numbers. Cube numbers less than hundreds are cube numbers are 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So we stop here. So the cube numbers, they are odd and less than 100. So it is only one and sorry, one cube is 1 and 27. Not odd. Not odd is 8 and 64. Not a cube number. So not a cube number. Let's write down square numbers. Odd square numbers are 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Not odd numbers, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. Okay, you can write down whatever you like, but they must be less than 100. Okay, number 7, find 2 cube numbers that total 152 when added together. 2 cube numbers. Okay, let's write down cube numbers first. Cube numbers are here. 1, 8, 3 cubes, 27, 4 cubes, 64, 5 cube is 125. Okay, so let's subtract this, the largest one from 152. 152 minus 125. You got 7. Okay, we can add 125 and 27. 27 and 125. So 125 is 5 cube. 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube plus 5 cube is 152. They are 125 and 27. Okay, number 8, classify these expressions into 2 groups. Explain how you choose the groups. Okay, 2 cube. So let's check the answer first. 2 cube is 8. 3 square is 9. 2 cube plus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Half of 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 half is 8. 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8 are 2 cubed and half of 4 squared. Okay, they are 8. This is one group. And the rest two, 3 square and 2 cubed plus 1 are 9. Okay, there are 8 and 9, two groups. Okay, discuss your answer with your partner. It's not very hard. Okay, you can do. Think like a mathematician. This is the end of exercise 2.2. This is think like a mathematician. Do consecutive squares. Consecutive square. So consecutive squares are one after another. 1 square and 2 square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So if we add them, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 and 9 are two consecutive square numbers. 4 is 2 square and 9 is 3 square. So we can get 13. Investigate the sums of two consecutive square numbers. And if you are symmetric or systematic, you should find an interesting pattern. So let's see what we're going to find. And adding odd numbers. The first two odd numbers are 1 and 3. Their sum is 4. The first 5 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What is their sum? And investigate the sums of consecutive odd numbers starting at 1. What do you notice? Okay, let's try them. Two consecutive squares. First, 2 square is 4. That's all. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 1. Square is 1, 2 square is 4. We can get 5. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. We can get 4, 9 is 13. And 9 plus 16, 25. 16 plus 5 square is 25. We get 41. And again, 25 and 6 square is 36. We get 61. And again, 36 plus 7 square is 49. We got 85. So let's take the difference between them again. Okay, 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 5 is 8. And 25 minus 13 is 12. And 41 minus 25 is 16. And 61 minus 41 is 20. And again, 85 minus 61 is, we got 24. So you can see the difference between them are also 4. Okay, the differences between the terms increase by 4 each time. Okay, the differences between the terms increase by 4 each time. Okay, these are consecutive squares. And adding odd numbers. Let's check adding odd numbers. First one is 1 plus 3 is 4. And 3 plus 5 is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus another one, 9 is 25. So we add if two odd numbers, we get 2 squared. 3 odd numbers, we get 3 squared. And 4 odd numbers, we get 4 squared. It's amazing. If we add 3 odd numbers, we get 5 squared. Okay, if we add the odd numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, we got 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and 5 squared. Okay, look what I can do. I can work out the square number in any position. For example, the 9 square number is 9 times 9 is 81. Yes, we can. I can use the notation superscript 2 to represent squared. Okay, 9 squared is, we can write like this, 9 squared. 4 squared is, we can write like this. Okay, I can work out the cube of numbers up to 5. Yes, for example, 5 cube is 3 times of 5, 125. 5 squared times 5, it is 125. We can do cube numbers up to 5. Okay. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for your watching, for your attention. So see you in the next video. Article 2.3. Okay, thanks again.